All right, this is made in 96, 1997 model Indy Sport 440 fan in it, a Fuji. Cause I live in Michigan and not in the snow belt, so snow is hit or miss. Usually miss. Someone will want to run a fan. Fans are great for like ice fishing. Liquids, you need like powder or something to chip up the ice, some spikes to cool them down. So a fan is a good choice for people that don't get a lot of snow. Like those mountain riders, of course, they run liquids. They're in deep powder. It's going to cool down no problem. But I do hear that they have issues running trails on the way to the mountain. So heat is definitely an issue. This isn't the most high horsepower sled, but it should be durable and reliable. And like I said, I'm not going to worry about burning it down. So this, let's see, it has a speedometer on it. 1,535 miles. It looks like it's been in a fire. The hood was pink. This had a pink hood on it. Like I said, it's a 97 model, but I really like, it's totally 97 graphics, like that pink and that teal. Anyway, that's what we're working on. So we're doing a little bit of wiring repair here. And I salvaged some wire out of my garden tractor hood, or an old garden tractor hood. Basically just 16 gauge used wire I salvaged. 14, 16 heat shrink connections. And did a repair there. So here's the harness. A light harness, like I said, for a garden tractor. And where are we at? So this wire, it's just like all chewed up and corroded. There's another one here we gotta repair. It's just all chewed up and corroded. It's not gonna work. You can see here where the loom, the plastic that protects the wiring is just like gone. So I don't know if that's from abrasion, from abrading on the fuel tank. That's pretty good probability. I don't think a mouse got in there. I think it just like rubbed it bad. So test the wire, of course, even if it's new or used, doesn't matter. The wire looks really good. The coloring, really good coloring. Doesn't look corroded. It's not black, it's not brown, it's definitely a copper color. But I'm gonna test it anyways. My meter and basically just the chime. That wire, it's conducting electricity, so we're good. That's what we're doing. Also gonna put a riser on this thing. Should have enough room with all the wires and all the cables for the reverse. Yeah. Gotta do the fuel pump on it. CDI. Gonna install a temporary tank on here, 2-gallon, salvaged from a garden tractor. Yeah, so there's the riser. Basically, it's the exact same riser almost as on this 600 liquid 600 ZL. So that's what we're doing. Waiting for snow.